Can a machine ever truly think? Not just respond, but understand. One philosopher built an answer inside a room. Meet John Searle, philosopher, Rhodes Scholar. In 1980, he set out to dismantle the entire premise of strong artificial intelligence using nothing but a thought experiment. Picture this: a sealed room. Inside, you. All around you, crates stuffed with Chinese characters, symbols you cannot read, and one book written in English, full of instructions for matching them. Someone outside slides a message under the door. You do not understand a word of it, but your instruction book tells you exactly which symbols to send back, so you do. The reply slips out. From the other side, it looks like fluent conversation. The person outside is certain they are speaking with someone who knows Chinese. They are not. They are speaking with a man shuffling paper. Alan Turing saw it differently. The father of computer science proposed that thinking is not a hidden inner state. It is a behavior. Converse convincingly enough, and you think. Searle's answer: simulation is not understanding. A program that passes the test does not grasp meaning. It just shuffles symbols. Though, if we are being honest, most human conversations do not really clear that bar either.